Hi, I'm Shipra Malhotra. I am back here on the sidelines of the ETCISO Data Protection and Privacy Summit. I'm being joined by Manoj Dhingra, who is the co-founder and director for India Business at Stellar Information Technology. Welcome, Manoj. It's good to have you here. Can you tell us a little bit about the data at the end of the life cycle? Because the DPDP Act covers right from the starting of the data life cycle to from the collection and the processing part to how it needs to be taken care of at the end of the life cycle. However, we haven't seen organizations talking much about the end of how do we get rid of the data. So, what is your take on that?
It has been seen that most of the time the organization takes utmost care while processing the data, while collecting the data. But when it comes to the end of the life cycle of that data, when the purpose gets over, most of the organization do not take much of the care which should have been taken. As per the DPDP Act, every organization needs to ensure that the data should be wiped at the end of the life cycle. Let me share a fact which for which we did a study in 2019, which was the biggest study under the NATE principle. So what we did is we took about 311 different storage devices from all across India, from the second-hand market, and what we found was really shocking. 70% of the media was actually containing the data which was PII, the data which was altogether balance sheet of an organization, the data which was altogether having a customer's name and the other information, you name and everything was there in that data. So which was really shocking. So all the organization needs to make sure that at the end of the life cycle of the hardware or the data, they must wipe it beyond recovery, and they must also take out the certificate which will be an evidence and a proof that the data has been wiped off.